are your guide, and today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Sabrina.
Hello everyone! Now I am a birder, so I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. So today, did you know I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, now Sabrina here, she's very, very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, you take that back.
Okay, by the way, Sabrina, can you share with them how many birds have you seen?
Right, okay, please. So last year I saw about 1,000 birds. Okay? This year I would like to break the record and see 3,000 or more.
Wow! Hashtag show off.
Me crazy bird lady.
Okay, can also. Alright, kidding aside everyone, so let us begin our journey to be some smart, colorful and truly incredible wing birds. First up, South America. Let's go! Now we will take a drive to the port and then a boat ride on the Tambo Hata River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you. You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to the Chucho called Clay Lake, where hundreds of birds gather every day to lick on clay. Now this clay lake is the largest of its kind. Species? Enough for you?
I'm a birder. I need to see more birds.
See, this is what I mean. So me. Alright, so since Sabrina wants to see more birds, we are going to be joined to
Kitty, the landing point is right here. Come on. Let's make it easy as possible. Okay, mesmerizes our South Crescent cockatoo, like I mentioned. They can be found in Australia and
If you show your hand, they'll come and sit.
So how do these birds get their names? You see those feathers on their head? That is called the crest. Salver is yellow. This is how they get their name. Salver crested cockatoos.
That's right. Now parrots, they eat alive and big, devoted parrots. So they take advantage of it.
So they use leaves, dried leaves, twigs, and even peanuts.
Okay, you just stand right here. See, I told you.
Yes, I knew that. Okay. Amigo, it is. Amigo. Happy birthday to you and thank you for celebrating your birthday right here at Paradise. And I want to say that was very amazing.
So what Alpha will be doing right now is he's going to come on right then.
Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, feet and agility. Their bodies are so flexible and they fly through the gaps of the forest, just like the jar.
And there you go. Now Oris here, he fell out of the nest as a chick
is hornbill.
and hit the wall. Oris would have not survived, but here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
Nice, thanks for sharing it. Okay, so now hornbills and toucans, they actually have two major differences. So hornbills, they can be found in Africa and Asia. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America. Africa. Now the hornbills, they have a distinctive goes out front and front. So most toucans have got two goes out front and two at the back. Now despite that, they are both, it gives them the strength and stability to move up and down. You check.
Tongues. I remember. You ready?
Yeah, that was a nice catch. Okay, let's see Oris. Up, and away!
The perfect catch. Let's give it up for elbow and Oris.
Oh, beautiful bird. Beautiful flight. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier on, hornbills, they can be found in Africa and Asia. So, in Borneo, where hornbills can be found, did you know that the tribes have been
Now, if you cannot see this loving gesture, let's watch this.
Wow! Fantastic! Now first let me talk about that enrichment device. It is a rope tied into knots. And what we have done is we've hidden some tricks inside the knots for the bird.
Stop, stop. They are coming and putting up a show like. You're not supposed to stand. Whoa! Flamingos! Whoa! This is like that Madagascar like.
Now, with that, we hope you have enjoyed discovering the beautiful wings of the world. Thank you so much for joining us on our adventure and happy birthday! Bye, everyone!
Oh, see there, that rowdy one. See how he's doing. She's not seeing only here.